Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about my handy laundry step stool. If you guys would like some more information on my handy laundry step stool, just please be sure to check the video description for more information. So this is a folding step stool. The reason I purchased it is because my son is going to start potty training soon and he needs this to reach the toilet and to reach up into the sink to wash his hands. So I've been doing a kind of routine with him at night where I have him get on the step stool and wash his hands and just have him sit on the potty. He's not potty trained yet, but we're in the process of starting to train him. So this will just make it easier for him to reach everything. He's 2, so he's still, he's still pretty short and everything like that. So he definitely needs the step stool. And I needed it for reaching the top of my closet. I can't really reach the top. And then there's another storage area in my laundry room where it's super tall and it's like a cabinet, so I can't reach it without the step stool. That's why I got this. Not only that, it's lightweight and it's very easy to put together. I literally put it together. Well, there's nothing to put together. It just came folded. So I just unfolded it in 5 seconds. So it's great. This is the way you unfold it. It's the easiest thing ever. I kind of thought when I got it I'd have to put something together, but I didn't at all. So it comes in white or black. I did white because, as you can see, mostly everything in my bathroom is white, and I just wanted it to match. But you could get black if you wanted as well. So this is a lightweight step stool, and it's sturdy enough to support adults and safe enough for kids. It opens easy with the one flip I showed you. Great for the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. Kids or adults can use it. So easy to use and fold up. The dimensions are 11.25 at the top, right here, from here to here. From here to here is 8.5 inches. This is 9 inches going down. Again, this is 12.5 at the bottom, and then this side here is 9.75, and this is all in inches. So just to give you guys the dimensions. And it's very comfortable to stand on as well. It has a 300-pound capacity with grip dot textured surface, making the folding step stool safe for everybody, including kids. This is an anti-skid proof. It has anti-skid foot pads on here, so you won't slip off of it. Makes it safety certified and passes ANSI 3 requirements. This lightweight but sturdy folding step stool is easy to use because it opens with the one flip of the hand. It's a great step for the kitchen, bathroom, closets, RVs, and all those hard to reach areas. The maximum standing height is 9 inches, and it easily folds away for convenient storage. So because I want to use it in the bathroom mainly for potty training, I can just fold it up and hide it in the corner over there. So I don't really have a very big bathroom, unfortunately, but even if I wanted to, I could fold this up and put it in the drawer. But I'm just going to put it on the side just so I don't have to go in and out of the drawer every time that, my son needs to use this. So it's durable, great for potty training, sturdy, easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to fold. It just wipes clean with any type of cleaner, basically, that you want to use. I use like Mr. Clean cleaner, or just the Lysol lemon spray. That works great for me, and it's easy for my son to get on, so I'm really happy with it. Even things that need an extra step up, for your RV, if you need to reach that extra step, it's great for that. It's 2.36 pounds, so it's super, super light. The carrying handle means you can use it on the go, sturdy enough to support, any, kids and adults, any weight, basically. And then those anti-skid foot pads feature hold everybody securely in place, so you won't have to feel like you're going to slip off of it. And it fits in closets too. My husband will use this for certain things. We have cathedral ceilings in the house, and they're not that high. So even if he's tall, so he can actually step on this and change the light bulbs that hang down with that. Just to give you guys another idea. I also have high cabinets above my stove, so I can use this to get into those cabinets, which is also good instead of stepping on the chair like I normally would, which is super, super unsafe. This works so much better. So guys, I definitely recommend this for any of those things I was recommending to you for, especially potty training right now, or if you need a step stool just to get in those hard to reach places. This is inexpensive and great quality. So this is my video for the Handy Laundry Store step stool. I hope you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.